One winter night, Sniffle heard a mysterious melody drifting through the auroras, calling it toward the unknown. Beneath the ice, the small fox uncovered an ancient, glowing map whispering secrets of a long-lost path. Guided by the map, Sniffle ventured into a frozen forest where the trees pulsed with eerie blue light. At the edge of a glassy river, Sniffle hesitated. One wrong step could send it into the icy depths. A spectral wolf, the river's guardian, emerged, watching silently before stepping aside in quiet understanding. Sniffle crossed safely and discovered a hidden cavern, its walls lined with glowing crystals that pulsed with ancient energy. At its center lay the heart of the aurora, a shimmering star that radiated warmth beyond the cold. As Sniffle stepped forward, the aurora embraced it, filling the small fox with light and purpose. It returned home, forever changed, carrying the aurora's glow within its heart as a guide for all journeys ahead.